cut this battle, I'll surely die. My life depends on my ability to prevail over this daily combat. Tomorrow is never sure because this challenge always comes back. I am constantly combating an immortal. Not because I defeated my opponent today means that my opponent is defeated. I merely want to battle in a never-ending war. At times I think that only my end can put an end to this war. At times I contemplate suicide because of how the situation makes me feel inside. It pains me to my stomach to know that I cannot hide nor avoid. I'm growing weary from battle. I do not have the strength nor resources to continue. I'll be murdered if this conflict continues. The conflict between us hunger must discontinue. Must discontinue. Must discontinue. From mother's breast. She's in the Middle East, I'm in the West. Constantly seeking directions to mother's arms. I need her protection from the stranger's arms. They have been firing lashes from whips, that's why your child's back is armed. In the stranger's land, there are no welcoming arms. I've been endlessly abused and put to work on their farm. They forced me to toil a soil that I'm not from. They flogged away the memory of the land that I am from. I was discreetly colonized, made into an outcast citizen, a slave to lighten their burden. Then they created an image of a God so that they may be forgiven. I was Christianized. They stole my religion and gave me psalms. I was brainwashed by the deceitful Europeans. The Caucasians, they ordered me to cultivate, dirtied my hands, shackled my feet, my sweat bought them food and sandals for their feet. They demanded that I be civilized. Whenever I acted natural, I was brutalized. Inherently, man wants to be free, so I ran, and they severed my feet, making me a cripple in their land, while they stand lofty and 1,000 feet, looking down at me, the warrior from the African fleet. But they'll one day find themselves beneath an African's feet. I have the appetite for war. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. Huh?